bolts on a bolt circle of 300mm diameter of 4 10mm diameter steel bolts in a concentric bolt circle of 200mm diameter. So what torque can be applied without exceeding a shearing of 60 megapascal in the bolts? So first is meron tayong 10 medium steel bolts. So ito yun. And then sabi niya that is 300mm in diameter. Second is meron tayong 4 na 10mm diameter. So ito yun. Ang diameter niya is 200mm. That's why nalagay ko 200mm. Yung illustration, wala yan. Wala yan kapag nag-solve tayo. Only that statement. So make sure na alam natin paano yan i-convert into an illustration. First is meron tayong kaninang concept. So we have the formula kapag ka 1 volt circle, and we have a formula if we have more than pagka nagkaroon na tayo na may 1 volt siya sa inner circle. So let's try yan. First, it's yung 1 volt circle. Try natin i-solve using the basic formula natin. So we have P is equals kay shearing multiply natin kay area. Hinahanap natin si P sub 1. So tinawag natin sub 1 yung nasa inner circle natin. So P sub 1 natin is equal kay shear. May binigay siya 60 megapascal. So okay to. Pero yung area, kailangan natin itong i-break down. So if we try to break this, break down yung area, we have pi, and the diameter yung given sa kanya, we have pi d squared all over 4. So let's try to substitute. We have 60 megapascal. So this is 60 Newton per millimeter squared. And then, multiply natin kay pi, and then yung diameter natin here is 10 millimeter squared all over 4. So, if we try to solve this, magkakaisa lang si millimeter squared. Solving, we have 60 times pi times 10 squared all over 4. So we have 1,500, or ito, try natin cancel out yung millimeter squared. So we have a value P sub 1 natin is equal kay 4,712.39 Newton. Pero dahil meron tayong P sub 2, kung ma-recall niyo, yung formula natin kapag meron na siyang dalawang circle, we have, paano tayo nag-start? Dun sa shearing strain all over 3R sub 1. So, ito kasi, medyo impossible kasi wala naman tayong given neto. Pero let's try out. Yung pinaka-last part natin is we have yung madaming formula na before tayo P1, A1, G1, R1. So, ito yung lagi yung tandaan, mas better. P1, area 1, G1, R1, P2, area 2, all over, G2, R2. So, take note na, sabi niya, ano ba yung material natin? We have steel bolts, and then steel bolts din to. So meaning to say they have the same material. So we can cancel out si G1. So yung blue natin for the material. Next is yung area. So yung green natin is for the area. Upon checking, they have 10 mm and 10 mm diameter. Meaning to say, yung area niya magsisame lang. So we can cancel this out. And then, take note na meron tayong na-solve na P1, si P2, yung unknown natin, meron tayong given na radius, divide lang natin yung diameter na bigay.
Yun lang kasi sinend na video sa akin.